2008 Acura MDX, double din install, backup camera, and factory speaker replacement. This will be valid on all MDXs 2007 through 2013. So let's get to it. So first step is to unclip the side panel. Choose a trim tool. Just like that. Pop straight off. And then you'll need to remove this Phillips head screw right here. If I'm not. Yep, this one. Get this one out of there. I'm doing this as we go, so definitely pay attention to these Metra dash disassembly instructions that they give you. Super helpful. Let's go ahead. All right, and then we need to unclip and remove this trim above the dashboard box. So let's get this. You'll basically loosen it up like so. And then one, it should come straight off just like that. This off to the side. You don't want to mess this up, so I'm gonna put this in the trunk. All right, next step is remove the dashboard panel between the steering column and the radio. So we'll need to remove this as well. Okay, so for the for this panel, you just pry under the bottom right here. Simply just pry here and pull, and comes off easy just like that. All right, and then our next step, we will be removing 4 screws securing the radio. Slide it out. Okay. So now, as you can see, these 4 screws are exposed. Okay, 1 is missing. So 3 in this case. So this. Oh, did it take? Oh, hold up. Let me get these removed, y'all. Trying to do this with one hand is crazy. I got you. Now with the screws removed, it should just come straight out like this. Yep. Okay, so something on the bottom. Just like that, you got it out. Definitely a lot of connectors. These 2 at the tops with just some push tabs, and then all 4 of these at the bottom. Do that. Be out. That's what the back goes. Super heavy too. Yeah. So now we can get started. So we're replacing this bad boy. So what I like to do is just pre-wire everything before I get out here. Backup camera included. I'm gonna just go ahead and connect this up. I'm gonna show you how to manually wire the steering wheel controls using the key 1 and key 2 wires as well. But let me get started running this backup camera wire to the back. So let's do that. What you wanna do is basically tuck that wire back through there. And it'll come out right under the dash. So let's pull all this through. And then we're gonna run this under the panel, through the kick, and through the rocker, and all the way to the back. I'm gonna run this through the carpet. Let me show you. basically just peel the carpet back. Tuck the bottom behind the carpet to kind of hide it. Right under that Velcro strap too. So now got it ran through. You can see it peeking out a little bit. Run it through here. She didn't even have the panel on here, so we're gonna go under the carpet. So what I did was put 2 screws on here, right? And now I gotta figure out the best position to put this. I'm probably gonna go with something here, just so I'm not intruding on the buttons or the light. So probably something like this. So let me mount that up here, and then the backup camera was ran through the kick rocker. Popped this off a little bit, slid that up under there. Through here, ran through the back. Up here, we loosened up all of this around here. The top as well. So we ran it all the way back through this black liner to come up through here and in through the back. It basically just followed this cable route in here. And we come up through here. Tap into these 2 wires for the reverse light. Black is your ground and the brown is your power. Right? Connections. And what I did was I removed this trim plate that was on top of here. Something like that. Remove this. Drilled a small hole through the back side of it. Ran the camera wire through. So let me get this all dressed back up. Let's see the result. All right, y'all. So we gotta remove the climate controls from the stock unit. So it's just 2 screws on the side. And what we're gonna do is take it out of here and add it to the new double din kit. So let me get this. Also 2 screws on the side and at the bottom as well. So 1 on the side and then 1 on the bottom. Like that. Separate this. So let's add it to the new. Alright, y'all. So to note, it's 3 notches on the top of this. And there's 3 little pins on the bottom. So you just line those up. Alright. Make sure she's sitting flush. So you just it should look like this. So you're not using the 4 screws originally. It's just the 2 on the bottom to lock it into the aftermarket. Come out like that. Now we do a backup camera test. Just turn the key on. You don't even got to start it. Just turn it on. Everything lights up, and then we got action. Okay. All right. All right. So for the steering wheel controls, it is not this connector. So in the 3-headed connector, the big one, it's going to be these 2 pins to the left. So the top orange one in pin 3 and then the bottom one in pin 19. So we're going to ground one and then connect the other to steering key 1 and see what that does. So I had to come over to the amp under the glove box, and then it's a little panel you can drop down, and the amp is here. What I did was unplug the connections, and I literally had to T-tap every speaker to bypass the factory amplifier. So I will be dropping a wire diagram for that, but yes, this was definitely a lengthy process. All right, guys, here's the wiring schematic for the speakers. You will have to wire each positive and negative from the radio directly to the amplifier connector actually. This also has the reverse signal wire, which it says is in the driver's kick panel. It's a brown wire, so you can grab the reverse signal from the front instead of doing it how I did by grabbing it from the reverse light in the back. So take a picture, do whatever you need to do. This will definitely help you out 2000%, because it will be a lot of wiring to get this completed to get the sound through the truck. So yeah, little something to note right here. All right, guys, so here's the end result. It came out beautiful. Definitely a lengthy process with having to wire the radio directly to the amplifier, but it can definitely be done. I would definitely take note of that reverse wire in the front, so you don't have to run the signal all the way to the back. That would make your life a lot easier. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. I know I left some parts out of it, but I try to keep these videos short and simple and really just include the meaty parts of the video. So like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Appreciate you for tuning in.